Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm going to demonstrate how to unload the dishwasher properly, mate. So what you want to do is wash the dishes. Once they're washed, wait for it to cool. See, that's where a lot of people make their mistake. They don't wait for it to cool, they burn their hands. This is cooled off. You take these rack things out, then you put your dishes where they go. That's how you properly unload a dishwasher. Throw another shrimp over the barbie, man. Just take your cups, you put your cups where your cups go. Take your spoons, you put where the spoons would, you got a place for them maybe. Take all your little Tupperwares. Put them in the Tupperware section. Your little measuring cups. You measure stuff with those. I don't know how many measuring cups you have, but I got a couple. Take these cups, put them places. Plates, you put them where the plates go. Your little baby plates for the babies. The strainer for spaghetti and pastas. This is a pan. Some pans don't go in the dishwasher, by the way. This pan's alright. Right? And then you can take this whole, some of these things come out, but I guess mine's not working with me today. Put your little knives in your little knife rack. And bada bing, bada boom, you're done unloading the dishwasher.